I love mushrooms, but I won't be eating these. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I love this press and seal. You know what time it is, meal prep time. Let's prep these beefy delights into individual meal portions. There are so many ways this beef can be used this week. I could do beef tacos, stir fry, barbecued, or beef stew. It normally takes me about an hour or so to prep for the coming weeks. It may seem like a lot for some, but it really is worth the effort and the time. The time that I'm spending now prepping these meals, let's say on a Monday night when I really don't feel like cooking, just knowing that I already have things set aside, portioned out already, it just makes having to prepare a meal so much easier. Just mentally, it's comforting. It brings me peace of mind. Now these will go into the freezer with all of the other meats that I've previously prepared ahead of time. This way, I always feel like I'm one step ahead. I usually save the fat trimmings along with some of the meat attached for my 4 German Shepherds. Another way to save time is I parboil potatoes to have for breakfast. This homemade sauce right here, hands down one of my favorites. Definitely a go-to. You can put this on anything. Chicken, beef, pork, veggies, salad, whatever. It is delicious. Try it. And here's the thing with this sauce. You really can't mess it up. Throw in all your favorites. If you like onions, add onions. If you like peppers, add peppers. If you like tomatoes, add tomatoes. If you like herbs, add all your favorite herbs. You cannot mess it up. Just throw the stuff in there and blend it. If you decide to try it out, please come back and let me know your thoughts. If nothing else, add it to a bowl of plain white rice. You'll never eat plain white rice again, trust me. Look what I just stepped over in my garden. But I do know it's a sign of vitality. It's a sign of good, healthy soil. Look at that. We've gotten about probably a good 14 days of rain. I love mushrooms, but I won't be eating these. Way cool. Way cool. So cool. Tomato plants and pepper plants out here. Ooh. The snails are out. Oh man, look at that. Snail is holding on for dear life. Bye-bye. I don't want anything that's busted open. I just want to take a look at my garden after several days of rain, and I see a lot of tomatoes. But I'll come back out and grab all of this stuff. Want to see how things are looking? raining like crazy. Let's see, this is the color that I've been looking for. This is the color. And they actually get a little deeper in color than that, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I mean, there's still a ton here on this plant. These are my Asian greens. They're just popping on up there, living their best life. I've been waiting for these to turn orange. It's so wet out here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, has a hole in it. I'll just sit that there. That's got a little hole in it. I don't want it. Still got some here turning. I'll wait. I'll have to examine that inside. Thai basil. I don't have my scissors. I'll come back out and grab that. And lettuce and onions. The leisure pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and take these. Now I can take cuttings of this and let it root indoors. I think I'm going to do that. Just drop them in some water and they'll grow roots, and I'll see if I can grow these indoors. Yeah, again, wasn't planning any of this. Got the kale as well. It's a little small harvest I wasn't expecting to even be getting today. But you know, you can always find something out here in the garden. Even a beautiful orange nasturtium. Eel. And a snail. Oh. Came right off. Awesome. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.